How to separate or extract audio from a video in Capcut? Well, welcome everyone to my channel. This time I show you how to extract audio from any video using Capcut, whether on PC or mobile. It's basically the same. So first we use open Capcut and wait for it to load. Click where it says new project. This also applies to Capcut Mobile. Once the app loads, we just drag the video we want to extract audio from. In my case, it's this one, a 3-line video. It's pretty popular, and I want to extract its audio. I'll drop in a moment.
Es confuso, ¿verdad? Sin embargo, sabes perfectamente cuando estás mal.
That's the audio. I be decided to extract, so to do that, we'll go to Export. Uncheck the box that says Export Videos. Wait, I'll give it a name. I'll call it audio because we're extracting audio. I'll say it to the loads. And it's important to check the box that says export audio. Another important thing is choosing the format. In my case, the format recommended is MP3. Why? Because it's a format that all programs recognize. If you export in another type, your program might not recognize it. So export audio is as simple as choosing export. Well, wait for it load and Capcut separates the audio from the video. If you open folder, look, and play the audio.
Es confuso, ¿verdad? Sin embargo, sabes perfectamente cuando estás mal.
And as you can see, it opened with the music player, meaning the audio came out as it should, as an audio file. Thanks for watching, bye.